Hey people, what's going on? How's everybody doing? This is another one of my videos, and it's not about English. It is in English, so if you don't know English, you're in trouble. You're not gonna understand. And what I'm getting ready to do now is, this is my office. This is where I make a living. Getting ready to hook this up. Getting ready to paint this. I've been on this wall, just trying to seal these cracks. There used to be a window right here, and I've been sealing these cracks over here. And up top, you see the square of the window. My cousin Domingo, he passed away, man. I mean, we grew up together. He's my cousin and everything. And he sealed this up. I used to have a window right here. And what I'm doing now is, I noticed that it has some cracks. I'm going over it with some cement and just making sure that when I do paint it, the cracks won't show. I mean, they would probably show anyways, but I want them to show as less as possible. So sorry about my back. I'm facing my back to the camera. That's not right. It's not professional. But again, I'm not a professional. All right? I'm just making videos, and if you like them, hit thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and this is going to be a bunch of little clips, little videos of my progress and what I'm doing. So guys, enjoy my videos, and see you guys. Peace.